In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use InVideo AI for faceless YouTube channels in 2026. InVideo AI can automatically create videos using scripts, AI visuals, voiceovers, and editing tools, making it perfect for automation channels. First, open InVideo AI and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create Video and enter your topic or prompt. For example, you can type something like Top 10 AI Tools for Creators or any niche you want. Next, choose the video format. For YouTube Shorts, select vertical 9016, and for long videos, choose landscape 16:9. After that, InVideo AI will automatically generate a script, scenes, stock footage, subtitles, transitions, and AI voiceover based on your prompt. Now review the video and edit anything you want. You can change clips, replace voiceovers, add background music, or adjust captions to match your channel style. For faceless channels, keep using stock footage, AI visuals, text animations, and voiceovers instead of showing your face. Once everything looks good, click Export and download your video. That's how you use InVideo AI for faceless YouTube channels in 2026 and create content much faster.